Hello, thank you for clicking over to watch this video on my Maes Mary Crafts channel. Today's card is going to be a shaker card. Some people think they are very difficult to do, but I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy one today. I hope you like it. And this is what you need: a sheet of acetate, a topper with a frame, foam tape and finger lift tape, some background paper and a piece of cardstock. This needs to be scored at the halfway mark and folded in half. The next thing I need to do is to take the background paper, put it on the cardstock and mark where I want to cut so that it will have a border of the background visible around it. I'll then go ahead and cut it. I could do a card with lots of layers, matting and layers and embellishments, but I'm keeping it simple with one single layer of background this time so that I can concentrate on the shaker element. I'm taking a topper from the Hunky Dory collection and separating it from the frame that comes around it. I'm using some more finger lift tape to put the borderless topper down on the patterned front as well. And the same tape is put behind the frame as well. I then took the backing off the tape and stuck it down to the sheet of acetate before cutting around the frame, leaving the acetate as a window. And then I take the foam tape and put it behind the frame. This is special narrow foam tape that is called shaker tape because it can be taken round corners and bends in one piece without having to cut, so there's no chance of the shaker elements inside falling out. Next it's time to add the shaker elements. This time I'm using little flower sequins. If you want to use shaker elements that are more dimensional, then you'll need to use 2 layers of foam behind the frame. Next, you need to make sure that all the shaker elements are within the boundaries of the topper image, and then take the backing off the foam tape and put it over the topper image on the front of the card. And then shake it. Of course there are more difficult ways to make a shaker card, and I'm sure I show you some more versions in the future, but for today, hope you like it. Bye.